Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log in to Regions mortgage account online. Watch the video till the end and follow through the instructions in order to learn how. The first thing to do is to open a web browser. Into the URL box type in regions.com and search. Doing this will take you to the official site for Regions. Scroll down and click on the mortgages option. Now, you will then see this interface where you can enter your online ID and password to access your mortgage account. Type in your online ID in the first text box and then enter your password on the next field. In case you've forgotten your online ID or your password, click on the Forgot Online ID or the Password link and follow through the instructions to look for your credentials. If you're new to Regions Mortgage and you'd like to enroll into your mortgage account, click on the Enroll in My Mortgage option and follow through the instructions. Provide necessary information in order to enroll to My Mortgage. After filling in all of the credentials and after you are ready to log in, click on the Login button and you will be inside your Regions Mortgage account in no time. So that was how you can easily log into Regions Mortgage account online in just a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.